If you open your photo gallery on Instagram when trying to upload a new story or Instagram reel, but you get a message that you need to allow the app photo access, or your photo gallery opens but the picture won't upload, or your photo gallery opens but the picture won't load, then we will have to allow Instagram to access our photos on iPhone or Android phone. So I will show you how to do that. The first thing which we need to do is to open the settings page on your iPhone or Android phone. Then scroll a little bit. Then tap on the app option. You will find the option here, app management. Then tap the app management option. Then tap on the search bar at the top. Search for Instagram app. Select the Instagram. And you will see all of these different things which you can allow or disable for Instagram to use. Let's open the permission section. Then scroll a little bit. Since we want Instagram to be able to access our photo gallery, here you will find the option photos and videos. And here you can give limited access or you can give it full access. That's up to you. But once I change the settings on this page and open the Instagram app, you can see that I won't get that message anymore. And I can then start sharing content on Instagram. If this video is helpful for you, then like and subscribe.